If you think you don't need tires because they really look good, you're going to want to watch this video.
Tech Time Tuesday.
All right, take a look here. So you look at the sidewall really good on all these tires, and there's no surface cracks, anything. Everything looks great. And the tread, look over at the tread. Tread's nice and thick. It looks great. No tire wear. And then we come over here, the DOT number, 26th month of 2017. So we're getting on close. We're here at 9 years old. In the state of Oregon, our limit for road travel is 7 years. So you're going to want to check across the country. Each state has their own limit of how long these tires want to be on the road. Some 7, some 10. So you're going to want to check your state. Also, you never know what the inside of a tire looks like. If there's any damage on the inside, sometimes they're cracked on the inside, you just can't see it. You want to be very thorough, and thank you for this tech time, and safer, happier driving.
Tech Time Tuesday.